Alright guys, you're about to watch my live trading from yesterday. I don't even know what trade it was, to be honest, but I just recorded a bunch of content and I'm going to post it. But I'm telling you guys, man, this 60% off sale, it's going to end soon. It's going to end on the 31st, and I'm not going to let anybody in after that. You guys should definitely take a look at, like, consider joining it. I call every single trade of mine. It's like I'm doing this right. I'm just killing it. I'm calling, like, every single trade of mine that I'm in. You know, like I'm taking tens and tens of thousands of dollars of profits. Like, check this out. Here's my 30-day stats. Like today I'm up 20,000. You know, I was up like 55,000 one day. I was here. I'm up 18, 19,000. Yesterday I'm up 12,000. Yeah, yesterday you guys are about to watch my yesterday's trades where I'm up 13K. Today I'm up 20K. In 30 days I'm up $431,000. I call every single trade of mine in the elite tier Discord group. So you guys should join it, man. I'm telling you, it's so worth the money. You get access for 6 months. You also get access to the advanced volatility scanner, and you also get access to my course that teaches basically every single strategy that I know. So yeah, man, see you in the group. Have fun watching the trade. Hey guys, what's up? I'm so tired today. I can't even begin to explain how tired I am. I am going to short Ondo. Check the volume first though. Volume's not bad, 470. I'm gonna short Ondo. Yeah, I'm gonna short it. Then I'll talk about why after. How many coins can I short at 1x leverage? I don't do 2x anymore. I'll short about 80,000 Ondo. Okay, let's see if I can get it filled. 882. Nope, that's not gonna fill. I'll explain in a second, guys, why. You know how hard it is to fill big positions, man? You know how hard it is? Fuck. It's so hard, I'm telling you. When you don't want to get that slippage, you know, it's very difficult. So I'm using the Q, right? The Q, you can learn what that is. Every single exchange has that. After I fill up my short, I will explain to you why I'm in it. Okay, so I'm in a position now for about $150,000 for Ondo. This is going to be a pretty long time. What's the funding rate? Oh, funding rate's kind of high. So in 10 days, it'll be 0.4%. So 0.4% of 150K is what? 0.0004. It'll be $60. That's reasonable. No, that's not right. For $600. That's fine. I can live with that. Okay, so the reason I shorted on those because there's a 5-wave top. It's one of the coins that have now reached 5 waves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Third wave is very clear. Third wave goes something like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like that. Right? Then the big wave 4 comes down, big ass retracement, and the 5 wave basically finishes up there. I think that's the 5 waves. Yeah. Yeah, it's the 5 waves. I see it. I see it clearly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And it's done. That's it. There's no more. probably gonna start dropping in a few days. It's already double topping. Double top-ish. See here? The high that it broke, it came back down below it. It just couldn't break back above it because wave 3 was too overextended. So this is gonna be a pretty good short. I don't know where the fuck it's gonna get down to be honest. I don't care. I'll just ride it for a little bit. This is a swing though. This is gonna be like for a few days. I don't know where it's gonna come down, but the 5 waves are in. I mean, it's bearishly diverging hard. It's so hard how it's bearishly diverging. Look at that RSI, it's wild. 12-hour RSI is so crazy bearishly diverging. 1 day is bearishly diverging. I mean, the 12 hour is just gonna crash it down soon, right? It's gonna pull the same thing as dot. It's gonna do the same thing as dot, guaranteed. So I'm gonna put this on my major watch list. So let's put Ondo all the way up here now. Not trading any of these guys anymore. I don't care about them. Take them all off my list. All of them. I don't give a shit about any of them. They were moving, but now they're not. So I don't follow coins unless they're moving. So Ondo might, you know, it's going to have some volatility before it drops, I think, but I think eventually it's going to end up dropping like every other coin. I'll give you some examples in just a second. Fuck it, I'll do this on my own time, guys. No, my OCD's kicking in. I gotta do it now. Sorry to take up your time. Just OCD is hard sometimes. So my entry is at 188. So if you notice, for example, dot on the 12-hour, okay, like before, earlier, the 12-hour MACD crossed over. It was just a matter of time until it snapped down, right? Just about, look at the 12-hour MACD, see? And then boom. And it fell down hard. So now, if you take a look at Ondo, it's doing the same thing. It's getting ready for a drop. It's just gearing up for a major drop. I'm going to be right about this again. Like, everything is saying it's going to drop. Bearishly diverging RSI, MACD, everything. Like, it's got that formula, that typical 5-wave formula that Philakone shorts. You know, that I short all the time, and I win all the time, and I win big. Oh, wow, it's also got the perfect trend line on the 4-hour time frame. So I'll probably end up adding more to this. I'm going to add more size right now. I'm going to take out more money for my earn. I'm going to take out more money. I'm going to trade the whole size right now. Fuck it. I'll just trade all of my whatever's on Binance. Yeah, I grew this trading account from $70,000 to $651,000 in less than 45 days. That's right, I grew it by $580,000. I grew 70K account by almost 10x in like 45 days because I'm that good. I'm going to add more to my Ondo position because I'm very confident about it right now. 20,000 more. Actually, 100,000 more. Add 100,000, 120,000 total. I'll be in a $380,000 position very soon, okay? Yeah, 380K is what I'll get into. But the orders are not filling. It's just so hard to chase these orders sometimes, man. I'm so tired, guys. Like, I don't have the energy for anything today. You guys don't need to see me enter the position. I'll just post my positions later. Oh man, I'm so tired today, guys. I wish I could explain to you how tired I am. Like, I'm I'm literally just in bed right now at 2 in the afternoon. I can't even get up. Like I'm so tired, but I'm gonna update you guys anyways. So like this is how it is. Like it's really rare that the wave 2 and 4 like connect that nicely. But I think it's gonna do something like that. Like, by the way, I'm up on my position a lot. I'm up. I entered with 300,000. My target's around 1.7 ish. So 1.7, I should make like $29,000 roughly, 30 maybe. So it's probably gonna do something like this, just from my experience and all the shit that I've seen. Okay, so just establishing the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can hear in my energy how tired I am. So that's 5, right? But see the wave 4, or the wave 5. It's like making this trend line like that, right? It's a very beautiful trend line on the kernel. Like it's something like that, right? So when this trend line breaks down, wherever it may be, it's gonna probably like go hard. It's probably gonna break down hard, I think. Right? So once that yellow trend line breaks, it's probably gonna hit the lower yellow trend line. That's a very beautifully drawn one. Like actually, I'll just make it 2 different colors. So the white line at the top was the third wave, and then it bull trapped. So the yellow line's probably gonna break soon. And once that yellow line breaks, it's probably gonna get down to like maybe here, 170-ish is what I'm guessing. I'm just being conservative. It's probably gonna happen in 3 days. 3 days maximum. Realistically, between 1 to 3 days, I think it'll happen. Just no way this is gonna go up anymore. I mean, bearishly diverging signs, even on the very last wave, you can see it. Right? This is bearishly diverging on the last wave even. Right, like that. I'm very good at spotting these things. Oops. Then this is probably gonna break this RSI support. So once that RSI support breaks right here, right, because it's creating higher lows, the pattern's gonna break, and then once that RSI breaks, it's gonna smash down on the 1 hour. Then you took a look at like the 4 hour and everything. It's like there's no way that it's gonna. There's absolutely no way that it's gonna break upwards. I mean, you take a look at it, it's so bearishly diverging in every way. I've seen these structures millions and millions of times. So I think that it's going to break down very soon. All right, everybody. So the trade's going very well for Ondo. So what I'm going to do is actually take my profit here. I'm up about $15,000 right now. I'm not going to hold it because I believe a 5 wave might have been in already. So because of that, I'm probably going to start exiting my positions very, very slowly and just see how it's going to affect the market here. So I'm going to exit at 50,000 at a time and see if the market is going to react in any way. And the main reason for this is because I believe that Ondo's already made like a 5-wave correction. So you can actually see it right over here. The 5-wave is in already. So it's probably going to have a counter-corrective wave upwards very soon. So because of that, I don't want to mess around with that. So I think it's going to have a small corrective wave upwards. So I want to definitely get out of this position right now. Let's just start nibbling away. Maybe it's going to spike down, but like I don't really want to take the risk. I'm just kind of like letting them nibble on my positions here. I'm spiking up the market a little bit. 25,000 at a time. See that? I'm just nibbling in there. Slowly closing my short positions. And this will turn into a very good profit today, I believe. It's definitely spiking up now, so I'm kind of chasing the price. You can see it's being chased. That's okay though, I don't mind losing out on a little bit of profit. maybe it's gonna make a little bit of a lower low, like, but I think that it's kind of, I think it's kind of in right now. I think this is it. Let's see if I can get a little bit more in. I only have about 100K more. 100K dollars adds in. And it might be better just close it all right now. Let's just close it. And market executed. Closed. I think I took in 12,000 maybe. Nope, I took in $13,251. Here are my last few trades. Cow 1,000, cow 600, cow 4,200, cow 5,000, cow 8,800. I am on a massive winning streak, guys. So here are my stats. Today I'm up 13,000. In the past 30 days, I'm up $435,000. Damn, man. Time for you guys to join my elite tier. I called everything in my elite group. Check this out, guys. Right, I called everything in my elite group today. I said to them that like I started today with elite tier, strong chance for Ondo to break down for a great swing position. I already short with 200K size. Here's the first target. My position, added more updates. Like I literally call out every single trade of mine, like down to a science, man. I got a 93% win rate this month in 30 days. I'm not losing any trades because I'm just taking the same setups over and over. I've got that sale on for 60% off where you get to join my elite tier trading group for 6 months. You also get to access my course, which is 20 hours long to learn all of my strategies. It's going to be one of the best investments that you'll make. Fuck yeah.